Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday we have done one exercise, comprehension exercise you can say. What did we do in it? One line was selected from the lesson and on the basis of that lesson we formed question answers, one line answers. So today we are going to write answers in detail. So answer in detail is our heading. First question is, what happened in the English grammar class? You know very well. This boy was lost in his thoughts. Teacher asked him the question, he was unable to answer. Let us see. In the English grammar class, William was lost in thoughts about the party he wanted to throw when his parents were out. So he could not follow what Miss Jones taught. Okay, in the English grammar class, William was lost in thoughts about the party he wanted to throw when his parents were out. So he could not follow what Miss Jones taught. Miss Jones noticed this and asked William what she was teaching. What she was teaching. So what happened in English grammar class? In the English grammar class, William was lost in thoughts about the party he wanted to throw when his parents were out. So he could not follow what Miss Jones taught. Miss Jones noticed this and asked William what she was teaching. So this is the first question and answer. Once again let me read what had happened in the English grammar class. In the English grammar class, William was lost in thoughts about the party he wanted to throw when his parents were out. So he could not follow what Miss Jones taught. Miss Jones noticed this and asked William. And asked William what she was teaching. See, one thing I would like to tell you children, when you write the answer, as I read the answer, I came to know that I missed one word. So again I rubbed and wrote. In this way, while you are writing, you go on reading the answer. After once you finish writing the answer, you read it once, twice, carefully. Then you understand whether you have missed anything or you have written it completely correct. So it is very useful. It happened with me also just now. I couldn't write and. So in this way we can correct our own mistakes also. So this is the first question answer. Let us go to second one. What is the second question? When did William realize that
Three, two, one, go.
When did William realize that when did William realize that there was no food for his guests? There was no food for his guests. How did he solve the problem? When did William realize that there was no food for his guests? How did he solve the problem? So, answer is when he locked his cook, he locked the cook in the cellar and locked the cook in the cellar so that he can have a party without any interruption. Without any interruption. realized that there was no food for his guests. So he took all of them. So he took all of them to the pantry and asked them to have whatever was available. Whatever was available there. Whatever was available there. So when did William realize that there was no food for his guests? How did he solve the problem? He locked the cook in the cellar so that he can have a party without any interruption. Then he realized that there was no food for his guests because cook is not there. Who will cook food for them? Who would prepare tea for them? Then he realized that there was no food for the guests. So he took all the friends to the pantry and asked them to have whatever was available in the pantry. That's the answer. Okay. So he locked the cook in the cellar so that he can have a party without any interruption. Then he realized that there was no food for his guests. So he took. See, I did not put this slash. In this way, if we go on reading, you get the mistakes, means you can correct yourself. So he took all of them to the pantry and asked them to have whatever was available there. This is the second answer. Third one is think and answer. We will write there that one. Third one. Suppose I will write the answer. Okay, what do you think happened after William's parents came home? Answer. After William's parents came home, they must had been shocked to see such a mess at home. All the friends, of William would have left for their homes. William might have got punishment. So, okay, after William's parents came home, they must have been shocked to see such a mess at home. All the friends of William would have left for their homes. William might have got punishment from his parents, is it not? This is the answer. After William's parents came home, they must have been shocked to see such a mess at home. All the friends of William would have left for their homes. William might have got a punishment. That's it. After this, one know your values is one topic for you. Here what you have to do is, you take a textbook, just under the questions. The cook reminds William that his father had not given him permission to throw a party when his family was away. Okay. Your parents also sometimes go out and they will tell you complete your homework and then you play. But you and your brother are at home. Imagine, okay. Then suddenly some of your brother's friend comes home and asks him to come to the park for playing. Then your brother is very much excited to go and he is ready to go. How do you convince him that you have to stay home? First thing, you should have some good feelings for the parents, respect for the parents. You must respect your parents' feelings and words. They have set some rules to make your life good. So, you have to follow some disciplinary rules. So, what you can imagine what would happen if you don't follow your parents' instructions. First thing, you hurt your parents very badly, as they have a lot of hopes and trust in you. They think my children will do this very well, that very well, and that trust you will lose. Second thing, what happens? You are ashamed of your own behavior. Third thing, what happens? You are violating the rules set by your parents. It will, somewhere in the future, it will affect your life. That's why we should first be aware of what we are doing in our parents' absence. So you can tell your brother about what to be done, when to be done. Some ideas of yours you can suggest. What you do, you please write it on a paper and read to yourself. Okay, this is it for today, children. Thank you.